Hello, everyone. Creating a serene and luxurious retreat at home is easier than you think, and an outdoor hot tub is a perfect way to transform your backyard into a sanctuary of relaxation. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, entertain guests, or enjoy quality time with loved ones, an outdoor hot tub offers the ultimate combination of comfort and style. In this guide, we explore the benefits of outdoor hot tubs, review different types, and share inspiring ideas to help you design the perfect setup. The benefits of outdoor hot tubs. 1. Stress relief and relaxation. Soaking in warm, bubbling water has been proven to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The gentle massage from jets soothes muscles and relieves tension, making it a great way to unwind after a hectic day. 2. Health benefits. Hot tubs are not just about luxury. They offer various health benefits. Improved circulation. The heat helps expand blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing blood pressure. Muscle recovery. Ideal for athletes or anyone with muscle soreness, the jets help with recovery and pain relief. Better sleep. A soak before bedtime can relax your body and improve sleep quality. 3. Social and entertainment value. An outdoor hot tub creates an inviting space for socializing. Whether hosting a small gathering or enjoying a romantic evening, it's an excellent way to bring people together. Types of outdoor hot tubs. 1. Built-in hot tubs. These permanent installations are often integrated into decks or patios for a seamless and sophisticated look. Built-in hot tubs are ideal for those seeking a long-term solution and can be customized with various materials and finishes. 2. Portable hot tubs. For versatility and convenience, portable hot tubs are a popular choice. They come in a range of sizes and can be moved if you decide to redesign your outdoor space. 3. Wooden hot tubs. These traditional hot tubs offer a rustic charm and blend beautifully with natural surroundings. They're typically made from cedar or redwood and provide a classic spa experience. 4. Inflatable hot tubs. An affordable and flexible option, inflatable hot tubs are easy to set up and pack away. They're great for small spaces or seasonal use. Design and placement ideas. 1. Maximize privacy. Place your hot tub in a secluded area of your yard. Use fences, screens, or strategically planted greenery to create a private oasis. 2. Highlight the view. If your property offers stunning views, such as mountains, a lake, or a lush garden, position your hot tub to make the most of the scenery. Elevated decks are particularly effective for this. 3. Integrate with nature. Incorporate natural elements like stone pathways, wooden decks, or surrounding plants to make your hot tub feel like a natural extension of the environment. Outdoor hot tub decoration ideas. 1. Lighting. LED lights. Create ambience with color-changing LED lights. String lights. Hang fairy lights around the area for a cozy atmosphere. Pathway lighting. Illuminate walkways leading to the hot tub. 2. Seating and lounging areas. Add comfortable outdoor furniture around your hot tub. Options include lounge chairs, benches, or even a small fire pit nearby for added warmth. 3. Accessories. Install towel warmers for a spa-like touch. Add a small table or drink holder for convenience. Use waterproof cushions to enhance comfort. 4. Natural features. Enhance the area with potted plants, rock gardens, or even a small waterfall feature for added tranquility. Maintenance tips for long-term enjoyment. 1. Regular cleaning. Clean the filter monthly to maintain water quality. Use a hot tub cover to keep debris out when not in use. 2. Water chemistry. Test the water weekly to balance pH levels. Add the appropriate sanitizers to prevent bacterial growth. 3. Energy efficiency. Insulate your hot tub to reduce energy consumption. Use a timer to manage heating schedules. Inspiring outdoor hot tub setups. One minimalist retreat. A sleek, modern hot tub surrounded by clean lines and neutral tones creates a minimalist paradise. Pair with gravel pathways and black planters for a sophisticated look. 2. Rustic haven. Combine a wooden hot tub with a stone patio and lush greenery for a natural, rustic ambience. Add lanterns or candles for soft lighting. 3. Luxurious spa. Opt for a built-in hot tub with a cascading water feature. Surround it with loungers, pergolas, and plush towels for a high-end spa vibe. 4. Compact solutions. For small spaces, consider an inflatable or corner hot tub. Add vertical gardens or wall-mounted decor to maximize the area's charm. An outdoor hot tub is more than just a luxurious addition to your home. It's a space to relax, rejuvenate, and connect with loved ones. Whether you prefer a rustic wooden tub, a sleek modern design, or an inflatable option, there are countless ways to create a personalized oasis. With the right placement, decorations, and maintenance, your outdoor hot tub can become the ultimate retreat for relaxation and wellness. Have a good day. See you in our next video.